Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the capacitor and bracket in your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4 inch bit, a screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Note the orientation of the wires and use the needle nose pliers to remove them from the capacitor. You can release electricity in the capacitor by placing a screwdriver over the 2 terminals. Be careful not to let your hands come in contact with the shaft of the screwdriver. Pull up on the capacitor to release it from the bracket. Pull up on the small tab of the bracket and twist it 45 degrees. Then lift to remove it. To install the new capacitor and bracket kit, insert the bracket at a 45-degree angle and twist to lock it in place. Align the capacitor with the grooves and push down to secure it. Plug the wires back into the capacitor. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Plug in the washer.